If your Claude conversations are all over the place, different topics, no context carrying over, starting from scratch every time, Projects fix that. Let me show you how to set one up. Open Claude.ai and click New Project in the sidebar. Give it a name that matches what you'll use it for. I'll name mine Spotify Research Hub. Hit Create and your workspace opens up. On the right side, you'll see the knowledge base. Hit the plus button and upload any file you want Claude to reference: a report, a brief, a strategy doc, a code file. Whatever belongs to this project. I'll upload my Spotify strategy overview. Once it's in, Claude can pull from it in every chat inside this project. You never have to upload it again. Then look at the instructions, click the plus sign, and type how you want Claude to behave inside this project: the tone, the format, the role. This runs automatically in every chat, so you never have to explain it again. Then hit Save Instructions. Now start a chat inside the project and ask about your file. I'll type, "What are Spotify's biggest challenges right now?" Click Send. Claude already knows the document, already knows the format, already knows to highlight the numbers, because the project is doing all the setup work in the background. Every new chat inside here starts with all of that context ready to go. That's Claude Projects. Create a workspace, upload your files, set your instructions, and every chat inside it is already set up the way you need it. Free on all plans, up to 5 projects. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.